Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a few suggestions. If this is your first time using OBS, this is a screen recording and it's really easy to use, even if it seems kinda hard in this interface. So well, let's start. The first thing that you're going to see when you open the app is this window right here. But as I told you, it might seem hard, but it's not. So continue my steps. In this case, I'm going to open the settings and I'm going to show you the most important ones. So first, you can start by changing the language or the theme. But again, this is not really important. I'm going to leave it as it was. And here you can change between Spanish, English. It will depend in which country you live. So again, there's nothing more important right here and we can continue to output. Something really important in output is the recording path. Here you will change or you will determine in which folder you want your videos to be saved, right? So in this case, I want them to be saved in this location, but you can always change it pressing on browse and selecting it again. So another maybe important setting is if you want to live stream to channel or in Twitch, you can connect them right here. If you want a tutorial in how to live stream with OBS, just leave it in the comments below and we'll do it for you. So now we can continue to the next settings and this is the most important one. Here in video you have two types of resolution. Please try to always leave this one as you can see right here in this number because this is your screen resolution. And the second one will determine the quality of your video. So if you record your video, for example, and you see that it has a lot of lag, well, that indicates that your computer is not so good for that quality and you'll have to lower it. The last setting will determine the FPS of your video. So again, if you see that it's not working well, you can always lower it and try again. Here in advanced, you'll have maybe harder configuration, but this is not really important. With the things that I told you, you will be able to start recording videos for your friends or for your YouTube channel. So if you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.